Yo yo yo, it's your boy Chambers with another Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes video with the latest event and our new hero, Grand Admiral Thrawn. He is from the Star Wars Rebel show, and this is the main reason why the only squad you're going to use here is uh, characters from the Rebel show. You have only 6 options, and I will tell you, if you can get Sabine, she is better than Chopper, which is this hero, for a lot of reasons, but I don't have enough shards to upgrade her to 5 stars because this is a legendary event, and you can unlock the Grand Admiral Thrawn only if you complete the 5th tier. And my team is going to be my leader, of course, Hera Syndulla, the Blind Jedi, Kanan Jarrus, of course Zeb. He is one of the main characters in the animated show. All of them are. And the main character in the show, Ezra Bridger. Uh, I'm telling you, don't upgrade them. Like if you want to unlock him, they're going to be needed only to be 7 gear 7, and if you put them some a little bit of mods, just like you see, my mods are terrible for these heroes. uh, let's see the Chopper. Yeah, he's terrible too, but I put a little bit of mods only to see if I can complete it, and I'm almost sure that I'm going to complete it to 5 star. Only hero in my squad 6 stars is Zeb, because I'm grinding him from the Galactic War store, and I have a little bit more Galactic War sh- shard currency. Yep. Uh, all of the heroes are just bad into the arena, into the all of the main things you're going to do in your Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes game. Only this hero is good in Jedi team. Ezra Bridger, he is very good. Maybe in Sabine, but I don't know. Only if you develop a Jedi team, maybe you can include Ezra. The other heroes are just bad. The Phoenix Squadron is bad for the raids, for the arena, for the Galactic War, so don't develop them, please. If you want only to unlock him, develop him to 7, gear 7, and maybe level 70. I do 85 because I have a lot of credits now. So let's go and try this event. The first couple of tiers I'm going to auto this because I think it's going to be very easy. Yeah, only you can see they have a lot of health and protection because they are level 85. Let's put this on auto. The second tier is going to be Admiral Thrawn. A little bit advice for me, if you have 6 stars or 7 stars, some of these heroes, 5 of them, of course, in the final chapter, just go and kill the black ones, and after that you can go for the stormtroopers. The death troopers are extremely damage dealing heroes, so you're going to need to kill them first. Okay, 25 shards, 50 crystals, and 50k. course, just like I said, this was easy. And the second and the third and the fourth is going to be easy. Maybe the fifth one is going to be I have I'm going to have a little bit of problem, but if I have, I'm going to put some speed modes on them, and after that it's going to be piece of cake. Of course, if you want to get him to 7 stars and you have 7 stars 5 of these heroes, the main problem is going to be you're going to need to upgrade him a lot. For the 7 stars, I think maybe all of them is going to need to be gear 10, which is a lot of investment. Let's just kill this TIE fighter first and talk to this. I'm not very familiar with these heroes because I don't play them. I just developed them for the event, and this is one of the reasons why I go auto. Okay, the only difference here is 50k more credits, 50 crystals and 25 shards again. Let's go to the third tier. Three encounters. Let's go out again. One by one. They're dying like little bugs. I'm going to show you just the leadership